Hey guys, welcome back. We have Brandon here again. It's getting to the time of year where your property taxes are coming out, and so we're going to discuss today a little bit on how that can potentially affect your mortgage payment.
Yeah, so usually towards the end of the year, we start getting a lot of phone calls from our borrowers that we've done loans for, asking, hey, I noticed that my payment this month is more than what it was, the past couple months or this year. What's going on? Why did my payment raise? I thought I was on a fixed interest rate.
I feel like that's a question we get all the time too, is people assume they buy a house, they have a fixed rate, and they're like, my mortgage payment's never going to change. And then they're always surprised when some things change, but not everything. So what things of your mortgage payment can change and what stay the same?
Yeah, so on a fixed interest rate, typically your principal and interest will stay the same. That is not what's changing. Your interest rate hasn't changed, anything like that.
Yeah.
But there is something when we set up your loan called an escrow account, which your property taxes and homeowners insurance goes into. That is your money that's held in an account. And the one thing that typically changes from year to year with the market evaluations from the county are your property taxes. They can go up or they can go down. In recent years, we've seen them
go up quite a bit.
So typically the calls that we're getting right now are, hey, my mortgage payment has changed and it's gone a lot higher. What do I do about this? So typically, whether it's me letting you know, hey, let's contact our servicing department if we're the servicer of your loan, or if your loan was sold off and someone else is servicing it, we'll have you contact whoever's servicing your loan to help explain to you why your mortgage payment went up and what your options are. So you don't have to continue to pay that higher amount. There is an option that you can pay the lump sum. Sometimes there's a shortage from the year before if enough wasn't collected, because they do just go off an estimate for your property taxes.
Yeah.
But you do have an option in most cases, I think with most servicers, to pay a one-time fee to keep your mortgage payment the same as it has been, or to pay that shortage or that difference from the mortgage or the property taxes going up that year. And that's typically why your mortgage payment will go up if you see an increase on it in the coming months.
So if they choose to pay a lump sum fee, is that kind of like a once a year fee? Because obviously your property taxes adjust every year. So if they do go up again and you're short, if you keep your payment the same, is that another lump sum they would have to pay potentially at the end of the next year?
Yeah, so usually it's just that one-time thing based on what the valuation is that next year.
Yeah.
So if they go down, your mortgage payment could actually go lower, right?
Which is what we all hope for.
Which is what we all hope for. And a lot of, another thing while we're on the topic of taxes is if you do get your county evaluation at the end of the year and you feel like, you're seeing what the market estimate is from the county on what they're valuing your house at, if you feel like it's higher than what your home's actually worth, you can actually contact Jake or Emily, and they can actually run a comparable market analysis to see if they're evaluating it too high. And you can actually go to, you can challenge that with the county, and a lot of times they can help you get it down if it is that far off. So I've seen that happen a few times.
That's awesome. We actually haven't had any clients ask us to do that, so that's something good that I think most people don't know about, that you can challenge the government.
Yeah, yeah, you can, like I said, get with your, the professionals, the realtors, which are Jake and Emily, and they can kind of run some numbers and see if that valuation is too high, and maybe even save you a little bit of money if you feel like they're off.
So if you've gotten a recent letter for your mortgage payment and it's gone up or potentially down, don't worry. You can call your loan servicing company. They can explain it to you, give you your options, and let you know kind of what's happening with your value and things like that. If you have any other questions about this, reach out to us. We'd love to answer them. We can have Brandon come back and explain more things. Do you have anything else to add before we end?
Nope, just feel free to give us a call if you have any questions. Like I said, if your mortgage payment changes and you want to know your options, don't hesitate, just reach out. There's no bad questions, and we'll help walk you through it and help you understand exactly where the shortage was, or why your payment went down, or just whatever your personal situation is. We'll help you we'll walk you through it and get you the answers that you're looking for.
All right, thanks for coming again.
You bet.
And we'll have you again. See you next time.
See you later. Thank you.